Hello, this is Joe.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Okay, so the phrase is this.
It is, are there tickets available for today? So how do you say that in Japanese?
今日買えるチケットありますか?
So this is what you would say if you want to go to, let's say, a Broadway show in New York City, and you want to know if there are tickets available for the show today because you want to see it today. So you would ask this, but you could also replace today with like tomorrow or like a date or whatever time you're looking for.
Okay. So, New York is a ticket. So Broadway, eh? Very famous Broadway.
Yep.
Unfortunately, now it's closing Broadway until next year.
Yeah, because of coronavirus.
Yes, that's a long time. They start closing March.
Yeah.
And then by next year, January, so it'll be 7 months. Huh? Yeah, no, 9 months.
Is there any other country that's being this strict? I don't
I
know.
have no idea. But it's the worst place now so far. So I wonder how they're doing all the stuff. So sorry about that.
Yeah, I don't know if Broadway will even survive.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Right? Yeah. But hopefully, and next year open again, and lots of tourists here.
Yeah.
Yes. But anyway, it used to be like a Broadway ticket. It's always very expensive.
Yeah, they usually are.
Yeah. But there's some like a ticket office. What's called is that? Like
a box office?
Yeah, box office, but specifically some name.
I don't know the name.
Broadway ticket could buy in Times Square, just mid of Times Square. You know, right?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, and a ticket booth, and on the top, making like a stairs. All the tourists can sit down there. Yeah, just to be like a performance place though. Like I used to play there. Yeah, before they construct the stairs.
Yeah.
Just a box.
Right.
Yeah, and the people all the time making line, and we could perform in between them. It was a perfect place.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes, but not anymore.
Yeah.
Have you seen Broadway?
Yeah, I've seen Broadway shows a couple of times, but usually not like me paying for them. Like a lot of times, either maybe I'll get a discount or go for free. Like, yeah, one time I went like for a school trip. We went to see The Lion King for free.
Because we were kids?
Yeah.
Okay.
There are like certain educational like institutions that fund so kids can see Broadway shows or other shows in New York City.
So good.
Yeah.
How was it?
It was really good. I mean, I don't remember much now, but it was still good.
That's good, but I don't remember.
No, I remember going to see it, but I don't remember like the very specific stuff.
Yeah.
You know, of course, because I was like 10 years old.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Yeah, I saw the actually Lion King too. It was great actually.
Yeah.
I remember the piece of the scene was very great.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. At the very beginning, and come out all of the animals in audience seats. Remember that?
I remember them like the dance in the beginning.
Yeah. So all of them on just marching on the audience seats. And I remember very wrong with the giraffe. Huh? What's it called?
What?
The long neck one. Giraffe.
Giraffe. Yeah, giraffe.
Yes, giraffe. And very huge and a long like
yeah.
one, and really surround us. But I've had it one time I got an accident, the giraffe.
Oh no, really?
Hit some audience, and they got a little bit injured. So then I don't know.
That's too bad.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
But just Lion King. You didn't see anything else?
I saw, I think, Peter Pan as well for one of my colleges I was interested in going to. They had like they paid for Broadway show for students to see.
Okay.
So yeah, I was able to go see that for free. Even though I didn't go to the college, I got to see a free Broadway show. So that's cool.
Peter Pan.
Yeah.
Oh.
It was really good too.
Nice.
Yeah.
So it must be like a fly on the air.
Yeah.
Really?
That kind of thing.
Oh. And they hang from the top.
Yeah, I think so. I don't remember all the specifics, but Like I do remember certain parts of it, but it was good.
Actually, I saw the one time Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Yes, Spider-Man, and maybe exactly like the Peter Pan, and with a lot of rope on a sailing, and Spider-Man flying around. That was very fun, but actually, unfortunately, many actors fell off.
Oh, that's sad.
And lots of actors injured.
So they can't do it anymore.
Yes, actually they closed very quickly.
Yeah.
I thought maybe even half a year.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
That's very soon.
It was good though. Even the music was a U2 made all the song.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it was a very interesting song. But
I wonder, they can't do something else to like keep the actor safe? If it keeps happening over and over
actually,
again.
that's like one of reasons they closed, but it was a very bad reputation. No story.
Really?
Yeah, no story good.
Okay.
Showing that was good. I thought it's good, but many people didn't like it.
Okay, so that's why
yeah. And they changed a lot of the story too, and then that ended. But the music was, I was very expected, but they just only two musicians, like a guitarist, maybe bassist, guitarist. I thought only two people in the front, and most of them just a machine.
Right,
just
right.
People playing, kind of a shabby.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. And you saw just only two Broadway. So that's it.
We went to see one recently too. It wasn't really Broadway, but
Oh,
it was like kind of off
yeah.
Broadway.
Yeah, we went too. Actually, very good.
Yeah, it was good. It was called Emoji Land.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Emoji Land.
Emoji, yeah.
Yeah, what was it?
You don't remember? We just went to see it a couple months ago.
I know, but maybe I want you to
Oh, okay.
explain.
No, I mean, how do I describe it? It was just like...
Emoji, like Japanese.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, like a Japanese emoji.
But there was like a virus that was trying to delete them all or something like that.
Like
Yeah.
a computer world. And
Yeah.
Maybe kind of a game world.
Yeah, kind of, something like that.
Yeah, what's called in the game world? We were talking about
virtual.
Before, yeah, virtual reality world.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and some virus come in and they're gonna try to survive. But actually, I didn't expect much.
Yeah, me
But,
neither.
yeah, it was great. Huh?
Yeah, it was
The
fun.
actress, the voice, very good. I
Yeah.
really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and we accidentally bumped into the actors in the hallway too because we were late.
Yes.
In between scenes.
Yes. What he said to you.
He was just like, you guys are late. Yeah. And I was confused because I'm like, who is this guy? But then I saw him on stage. I'm like, oh, it was him. He was wearing a funny outfit, so I was like, who is this guy?
Yeah. And that was very cheap too. Actually, $5, eh?
Really?
$5 each ticket. Yes.
Oh, that's very cheap.
Yeah. Sometimes off Broadway they cannot collect the audiences. Sometimes they sell online. I bought a ticket. It's called Club Free.
Mm-hmm.
Club Free.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you can check out. You can sometime get a Broadway, sometime and even classical concert, and what's called the biggest concert hall in Japan? In New York.
Carnegie Hall,
Yeah.
you mean? Oh, okay.
Even Carnegie Hall, and sometimes you can get like $5. So
Yeah, yeah.
usually selling like a 40, 70. Yeah, you should check it out if you wanna see the very cheap ticket.
Yeah, definitely. And sometimes I think seeing off-Broadway shows and stuff like that is even more worth it than like on-Broadway shows. I mean, I guess it depends what you want to see, if you really want to see a Broadway show, but the off-Broadway shows are really cheap and a lot of times they're just as good, honestly.
Yes.
Or even better because like they have to be like more creative, you know?
Yeah, that's true actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, it's kind of like watching just like big mainstream movies like The Avengers versus like seeing like some smaller movie. You don't really expect much, but then
Yes.
like it ends up being really good.
Yeah.
It feels kind of like that.
Yeah, maybe.
A lot of times I feel like we watch smaller movies and I like those a lot more than like mainstream stuff too. Yeah.
I thought that one to opera, what's it called?
Phantom of the Opera?
Yeah, Phantom of the Opera. That's actually the longest one. Long run.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, opera. That's great actually. The song
Yeah, that one
was
looks good.
great. Yeah, even like more than 10 years. I'm not sure how long it's lasting. Maybe 15 years, 10 years. So even it's the first time I went there, but most of the song was very familiar for me.
Yeah.
Because maybe a very long run, maybe somewhere I don't recognize, but maybe I've.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah.
It was very good. I really enjoyed the very classical way to make it like a stage. But the song was very good actually. You should try that.
Yeah, it would be nice to see that. We get the chance.
But anyway, as I told you, very expensive.
Yeah.
All the tourists coming all over the world, and sometimes they just come here for the Broadway show. So 150, 200, if you wanna make
Yeah.
advance, like more than 200, too much.
Yeah, it's really expensive.
Yeah, even though we are here staying, we are paying a tax, maybe they should make us some deal.
Free tickets.
Yeah,
Nah,
free
I don't
tickets, some discount.
know. No,
Hopefully.
definitely, that'd be nice.
Yeah, I want to see more about this. It's too expensive.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, anyway, if it's a good one, we should see.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
That's it?
Yep.
Good. So,
Okay, so I'll repeat it slowly first and then we'll get a little bit faster each time we go along. Are there tickets available for today? Okay, and a little bit faster. Are there tickets available for today? And one more time at normal speed. Are there tickets available for today? And that's it. How'd you do? Did you do okay?
good. So nice.
So thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave us a like. And if you're interested in seeing more English learning videos like this one, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you're also interested in, if you're interested in subscribing, you can. Okay, well, either way. But if you enjoyed this video, feel free to let us know as well. Okay, so thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
Yep, それではまた。バイバイ。
Bye!